Have you ever wondered how to go from just uploading videos to actually raking dough? You're in for a treat because today we're diving deep into the golden methods that'll have you cashing in on YouTube like a pro. Buckle up because we're about to uncover the top 5 money-making strategies that will take your channel from zero to cha-ching. Welcome to the Flixier channel, where we aim to help content creators like you make more videos faster and better. Number 1. YouTube ad revenue or YouTube partner program. Earning from AdSense or the money from advertisements shown on your videos are often the primary source of income on YouTube. In the past year, YouTube has lowered the entry barrier for this program, now requiring at least 500 subscribers to apply for monetization. You must have also uploaded at least 3 public videos in the last 90 days, accumulating a minimum of 3,000 watch hours or 3 million short views. After meeting these requirements, you can start earning your first dimes from monetization. In addition to ad revenue on your channel, you'll also earn a portion of the revenue from YouTube Premium. Some important things to note include: always adhere to YouTube's rules and policies when uploading a video. You must also follow AdSense rules. Original content is a must. Receiving a copyright strike could disable your monetization. To truly earn money, it's not just about reaching YouTube's requirements, but also about consistently following their policies. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. While most content creators focus on meeting YouTube's monetization requirements, there are those who use affiliate marketing to earn money. In simple terms, affiliate marketing is a method where you receive a commission from a product sale. For example, if you have a $10 product and receive a 10% commission, recommending that product in your videos and having someone purchase it would earn you 10% of $10, which is $1. To start earning through affiliate marketing, you should first select an affiliate program like Amazon Associates. Once you've signed up, your account needs to be approved. After approval, you'll receive a unique link, or you can generate product-specific links to share with your community, either in the description, comments, or private groups if applicable. Amazon Associates isn't the only affiliate program. Others include ClickBank, ShareASale, and many more. Additionally, brands and certain websites often have their own affiliate programs. For instance, Flixier has an affiliate program offering a recurring 25% commission when you refer someone who purchases a paid plan. More details about our affiliate program can be found on the affiliate program page. Number 3. Brand deals or sponsored content. Brand deals can help you monetize your audience. Companies interested in your channel might sponsor your videos or propose product placement deals. These opportunities are more likely when you've built a substantial following. You can directly approach brands or use affiliate marketing sites to find partners aligned with your content. With brand deals, you could receive flat payments, commissions, or even free products or services. Remember to disclose partnerships to YouTube when uploading your video. Number 4. Merchandise. Your fans appreciate your work and often want to show their support. Consider opening your merchandise shop, offering personalized products with your branding. This has become simpler than ever. You can design your products, then use platforms like Printful or Printify to add your design to various items. The best part is that you don't have to handle printing or shipping, as the mentioned platforms take care of that for you. A piece of advice is to order a couple of products before shipping them to your fans, ensuring quality control. And number 5. Channel membership. Once you're part of the YouTube program we discussed earlier, you can activate the channel membership feature. With this, your fans can pay a monthly fee for access to exclusive benefits. These benefits often revolve around exclusive video content. You could offer members-only live sessions, behind-the-scenes videos, or content released a few days earlier than for regular viewers. Another option is providing members with access to a video course created by you or other types of videos your fans love and would be willing to pay a few dollars a month for. These are the main 5 methods to earn money on YouTube, but there are always more to discover. Moreover, within the realm of YouTube career, there are related professions that can bring in income if direct YouTube earnings are limited. In a future video, we'll discuss adjacent careers to content creation. So make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn your notification on to know when that video drops. Until next time, happy editing.